Understanding roasting time, a fun and informative guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, roasting time. This phrase can be a bit confusing for English language learners, so let's explore its meaning and usage together. Roasting time literally refers to the period during which something, typically food, is roasted. Roasting is a cooking method using dry heat, often in an oven. This section will include examples like, the roasting time for the chicken is approximately 2 hours. In a more figurative sense, roasting time can mean a period where someone is being humorously criticized or teased. This is common in friendly and informal settings. We'll explore examples like, at the party, it was roasting time for Mike, as his friends playfully teased him about his new haircut. This section will delve into the cultural aspects of roasting time. It's often used in a light-hearted, joking manner among friends. It's important to understand the tone and setting where this phrase is appropriate. We'll use examples from popular culture and everyday conversations. And that's roasting time for you. Whether it's about cooking or friendly banter, this phrase adds flavor to the English language. I hope this video has been helpful and entertaining. Keep practicing, and you'll master these fun expressions in no time.